Hello students, today we are going to discuss some example on wave equations. In last video, we discussed the derivations of wave equations and we said that there are the two types of wave equations. Two types of wave equation questions, the type A and type B. First we discuss the type and in wave equation is del square y upon del t square that is equal to c square del square y upon del x square. Type A. What should be the keyword in the given question so that we can find out that the given question is type A question, right? The first keyword is initial positions. If in a given question given that the initial positions of a string is given as, let us suppose x, sin 2x like this. The initial position means type A. Other keyword may be shape. If given that initial shape is given, initial shape means that is type A question. And the second keyword is starting with displacement. If the starting with displacement is given as the non-zero value, that means type A wave equation. Third keyword is initial deflection. If this word is in the given question, initial deflection is given by some function, that means type A question. And last keyword is pull the string aside. Let us suppose this is a string, and if we pull the string either this up or down or both, in that case we will say initial position, initial displacement, and this, that means type A. If either one of these will be present in the questions, in that case we say the type A questions, and we will solve just type A solutions, right? Which we discussed in last video. And in this case, the fourth condition will be there, y of 0t equal to 0. That means at first hand, the displacement is equal to 0. Right? Y of lt equal to 0. That means at point B, displacement is equal to 0. Third condition is del y by del t. What is del y by del t? That is initial velocity. The initial velocity is equal to 0, right? And yx0 is represented as the displacement at t equal to 0. That means initial displacement, initial deflections, or initial shape, or like this, right? And that is given by a function f of x. So first two conditions are boundary condition and next two conditions are initial condition. In this case, we will drive the question up to this one, y of xt, and we will get sigma of pn sin n pi upon lx cos Cn pi upon Lt. We should write the whole solution up to this one, right? And after that, we will apply the condition number 4. That means initial displacement equal to fx. We write y of x0 equal to fx, and if we put here t equal to 0, we get sigma of bn sin n pi upon lx. There may be the two types of question. Type 1. That means first type if fx is trigonometric function. If the value of fx is trigonometric function, trigonometric means let us suppose we say sin x, let us suppose we say sin cube 2x, let us suppose we say sin x plus 5 sin 2x like this. If there is a trigonometric function, in that case we should compare the left hand side fx with pn. If there is a one term, then here we get only the one value of pn. Either n equal to 1 or n equal to 2, b1, b2, b3 like this, we will get only the one value. If in left hand side there are the two terms, so in right hand side we will find the two terms, right? If there is a sine cube, right, suppose sine square or sine cube, in that case we will convert the given trigonometric function into linear function, right? Because in case sine cube theta, so we will apply the sine 3 theta formula and convert into sine 3 theta and then so like this. And if there is a otherwise any function, let us suppose that is x, x square, x sin x, x like this, in that case we will apply this formula, and this is the Fourier series formula, right? Where bn is equal to 2 upon L, 0 to L, fx sin n pi upon lx dx. And then integrate this and then find the answer, right? If you could not integrate, in that case we will write that this is the final answer where Pn is equal to this one. Write the value of fx here and value of L here, and that will be the final answer. It may be possible that 2 or 3 marks will be cut down, otherwise the whole the marks will be, you get whole the marks, right? Now we come to type B. In type B, the only one condition is velocity is given. Initial velocity is non-zero. And when we can represent velocity by only one term, that is del y upon del t at x0, and that is given by, let us suppose, a function gx. Either written as initial velocity is non-zero function or del y by del t at x0 is non-zero function. And in this case, by default, we will take displacement equal to 0. In type A, we will take initial velocity 0. In type B, we will take the initial displacement is 0. There are the two conditions, y of 0 t equal to 0, y of L t equal to 0, and third one is y x0 equal to 0, and fourth one is del y by del t x0 equal to gx. In this case, we write the solutions of type B, which we discussed in last video. Up to this one, y of xt equal to sigma pn sin n pi upon lx sin c n pi upon l into t. Right? We write the solutions and then apply condition number 4. First we differentiate with respect to t and then put t equal to 0. We get left hand side as gx because condition is given as gx, and from this one we get bn. When we differentiate this, we get cn pi upon l as a multiplication, and cosine will be equal to 1, and this is sin n pi upon lx. We get this one, right? Again here the two conditions, the two types of condition will be there. Either the initial velocity is given as the trigonometric function, like earlier, right? If the trigonometric function, we convert the trigonometric function into linear term and then compare both sides. What is the difference here? Here bn is equal to left hand side. Here bn into cn pi upon l equal to left hand side, right? And from here we will find out the value of bn for different value of n, and then the final solution will be written by this equation, right? In case trigonometric function is not there, in that case we will integrate. We will find out the value of bn is equal to, this term will be go this side, that means l upon cn pi into 2 upon l, 0 to l, gx sin n pi upon lx dx. So by this formula we can find out the value of bn. Now we'll take example. These questions I attach with the PDF in PDF form. In description you can find out all the questions. A string is stretched and fastened to 2 points at a distance L, and motion is starting by displacing the string initially at y of x0. Here the important point is displacing the string. That means initial displacement is given in initially. Right? This is the y of x0, and y x0 is defined later on. Find the displacement at any point at distance x time t, that means y of xt. In all the questions we have to find out y of xt, right? So in this case the two questions are given. Y of x0 is 3 sin 2 pi upon xl, and second one is y x0 is y0 sin cube 2 pi x upon l. These two questions are given. So first we take the first question. First you write this wave equation, del square y upon del t square is equal to c square del square y upon del x square. First write this equation. Now write the all four conditions. First condition and second condition will be same in all questions. Y of 0t equal to 0, y of lt equal to 0. If the value of L is given, you can put the value of L after this step. After finding the Y, you can put the value of L. Otherwise, you can write all the things as same in all the questions, right? So first write the first two conditions, then third condition, initial velocity 0, del y by del t, x0 is equal to 0. And fourth condition is y of x0 is equal to 3 sin 2 pi upon xl, right? First we take y xt equal to x into t. We take x into t and then find the second differentiation with respect to t and with respect to x here, and then divide whole the equation by xt as we discussed in last video. We get x double dash upon x equal to t double dash upon c square t, that is equal to minus of lambda square and 0. This first, second, third. The first solution will be y of xt equal to c1 cos lambda x plus c2 sin lambda x, and this c3 cos c lambda t, c4 sin c lambda t. In second case, when we will take lambda square, we get c1 e to the power lambda x plus c2 e to the power minus lambda x, and c3 e to the power c lambda t plus c4 e to the power minus c lambda t. In third case, c1x plus c2 and c3t plus c4. And you can write the in detail and just see the last video, right? Otherwise this enough, no problem. And then we say only the first solution will exist according to physical conditions, and then apply the condition one by one. First apply the first condition, y of 0 t equal to 0. As we discussed earlier, from this equation we get c1 equal to 0. Put here in this solution, that means this one solution, put this x equal to 0, we get c1, and this one, so from here we get c1 equal to 0. Now apply the second condition, as we discussed earlier, we get lambda equal to n pi upon L, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity, right? By third condition we get C4 equal to 0. All these we discussed in earlier video, so you see there and then write here, right? Otherwise you can write this thing. Then we get y of xt equal to, because this C1 is 0, C1 is already 0, C4 is 0, so we get C2, C3 sin lambda x cos c lambda t. And sin this C2, C3 sin lambda x cos c lambda t, right? Where lambda is equal to n pi upon L. The general solution can be written as sigma of Bn, and put here lambda equal to n pi upon L, so n pi upon Lx cos c n pi upon Lt. This is the final solution. So you should write from this line to this line in each question where type A questions are there. So you just find out if this type A, you write from first line to this line in each and every question, right? And then replace the value of LA. If the value of L is given, replace here. Otherwise, this is the final solution. Now we have to find out only the value of Bn. This is the Bn. We have to find out the value of Bn, and the question will complete, right? So by applying condition number 4, condition number 4 is y of x0 equal to 3 sin 2 pi x upon L. As I said earlier, if this is a trigonometric function, then we compare both sides. If this is algebraic or algebraic into trigonometric, in that case we integrate using the Fourier series. So it is a trigonometric function, so we compare both sides. I write here 3 sin 2 pi x upon L, that is equal to sigma Bn sin n pi upon Lx. Because in the left hand side only one term is there. So in right hand side there will be the only one term. And if we just compare these two terms, sin the angle of this one is 2 pi x upon L, and angle of this one is n pi L upon x. That means here n equal to 2 and value of B2. If we compare both sides, value of B2 is equal to 3. And other value Bi, that means Bn, other Bn is 0, otherwise. Only because we get only the one term, that's why we say B2 equal to 3 and n equal to 2. N equal to 2 where? From where we find out this? By the comparing the angle of these two. Condition and given this equation, right? So n equal to 2 and this, we put n equal to 2 means B2 equal to 3. So put this value in this solution. Because only the one term is there, so just we skip this sigma, so we write this y of xt, this is equal to 3, put n equal to kitna? N equal to 2, so put n equal to 2, so sin of 2 pi upon Lx into cosine of c, यानी कि 2c pi upon Lt. This is the final answer. And question complete, right? Now we come to the B part. In B part, y of x0 is given as y0 sin cube 2 pi upon Lx. Here the sin cube is there. So first we convert this trigonometric function into linear terms. So apply the formula, sin of 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And what is the value of theta? Value of theta is 2 pi upon Lx, right? So from here we can find out the sin cube theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta upon 4. And put the theta equal to 2 pi upon Lx, and y naught is already there. So 3 y naught upon 4 sin 2 pi upon Lx minus y naught upon 4 sin 6 pi upon Lx, right? And you write in this question up to this one as the same. Any type A question, we write all the things up to this one as same. We will not change anything. Then the change comes from, start from condition number 4. Up to this one you write same, right? So then this is equal to sigma of Bn, and this sine n pi upon Lx. Now you can see that in left hand side there are the two terms and right hand side is a sigma. Sigma means infinite term. So out of these infinite term, only two terms will exist. Which two terms? So we compare the angle. You write this, just compare the angle, this one n pi upon Lx, and there is sine 2 pi upon Lx. If we compare these two, we get the value of n is equal to 2. So first write n equal to 2. N equal to 2, that is B2. Here is B2. And this B2 should be equal to coefficient of this term. And coefficient of this term is 3y0 upon 4. That is 3y0 upon 4. And now comes this term. If we compare this into this, n equal to 6. To put here, n equal to 6, right? And this B6. B6 is equal to coefficient of this term. That is minus of y0 upon 4. Now put all the value in this given solution. So we can write y of xt, that is equal to, and this first put n equal to 2 and coefficient is 3y0 upon 4, that means 3y0 upon 4, and put here n equal to which 2. The B2 value is this one. This is sine of n equal to 2, that means 2 pi upon Lx into cos 2 c pi upon L. And this next term is B6, and value of B6 is minus y4 upon 4, minus y upon 4 sine, put here n equal to which 6 1. So n equal to 6, that means 6 pi upon Lx into cos 6c pi upon L. Like this. This is the final solution. You can write this solution by seeing directly this one, write this one. You can see that this term is same. You can see here 3y0 upon 4. So 3y0 upon sine 2 pi upon Lx is same. You have to just multiply the cosine term. And what is the difference between this and this? Only the difference of c. So you write this in place of sine, write cosine. So we write cosine and multiply this angle by c. So angle is 2 pi upon Lx. So we write this 2 c pi upon L, and in place of x replace by t. So we get 2 c pi upon L. Right? Now see this one. This is the second term. The second term is minus y4 upon 4 sine 6 pi upon Lx, that is same. And just convert sine into cos and write this angle 6 pi upon L. You write 6 c pi upon L and t. You can write directly answer by seeing the condition. We can write the directly answer, right? I will come to the next questions. Now take another example. A string is stretched and fastened to 2 points at a distance L. Motion is starting by giving initial shape as y of x0 is equal to mu x L minus x. Find the displacement at any point x and time t. Here is the important point is giving initial shape. Initial shape means type first, type A. This is the equation of type A, right? And condition is mu x L minus x. So differential equation is del O square y upon del t square equal to c square del square y upon del x square. First condition is y0 t equal to 0, y and t equal to 0, boundary condition. And then del y by del t is 0 0 and y of x0 is mu x L minus x. These are the four conditions, right? Then write the solution up to this one. Write the type A solution up to this one. As I said earlier, write up to this solution. In all questions this will be same. Now come the condition number 4. Condition number 4 is this one. Y of x0 equal to mu x L minus x. So put here t equal to 0. This is equal to sigma bn sin n pi upon Lx. Because this is a non-trigonometric function. This is a non-trigonometric function. So here we apply the integration. So write the formula for bn by the Fourier sine series. The Bn is equal to 2 upon L integration 0 to L fx sin n pi upon Lx dx. So the answer, put the value of fx is taking mu h common. So 2 mu upon L 0 to L Lx minus x square sin n pi upon Lx dx. Now apply here the formula as integration of u into v. That is u integration of v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 and so on. First function u means Lx minus x square and v sin n pi upon Lx. So first function is same Lx minus x square. Integration of sin n pi upon Lx, that is minus cos n pi upon Lx upon n pi upon L. Minus differentiation of this one. Lx means L minus 2x. Integration of this one is minus sin n pi upon Lx upon n pi upon L whole square. Plus differentiation of this one. That is minus 2 and integration of this is cos n pi upon Lx upon n pi upon L full cube. If we put here, the limit is 0 to L. If we put here L, so this is 0. L square minus L square 0. And when we put 0, this is 0. So this is 0 for both the conditions, right? Now comes here, this is a sine function and sine 0 is 0. And when we put x equal to L to L cancel out sin n pi. And sin n pi is 0. So due to the sine function, second integration will be 0 for both the limit. Only this third term will come. So we can write this 2 mu upon L and this is minus of this minus 2 and this is L cube upon n pi whole cube and put here L. L is equal to cos n pi minus cos 0. Take this minus sign inside, we get 4 mu upon n cube pi cube, 1L 2 1L cancel out. This 2 that means L square and cos 0 is 1 to 1 minus 1 की power n. This is the final answer. So this is the final answer. The y of x equal to sigma bn sin n pi upon Lx cos n pi upon Lt, where bn is equal to this one. This is the final answer. This and where bn equal to this one. This is the final answer, right? Now we come to another example. A string is stretched and fastened to 2 points at a distance L, and motion is starting by giving initial velocity. Here in the question given as the initial velocity mu x L minus x and find the displacement at distance x time t. Here the del square y upon del t square equal to c square del square y upon del x square. First two conditions will be same, y0 t0, y of lt 0. And third condition is yx0 0, displacement 0 and velocity equal to mu x L minus x. So this is the type B question. So you have to write the derivations of type B from starting point to this one. And we get the solution as y of xt equal to sigma bn sin n pi upon Lx sin cn pi upon Lt. In this case, here is sine. Earlier case, here is cosine. In this case, there is sine. Now apply the fourth condition. Fourth condition is del y by del t. So del y by del t x0 equal to mu x L minus x. If you differentiate this equation with respect to t and then put t equal to 0, we get sigma of Pn Cn pi upon L sin n pi upon Lx, right? Then apply the Fourier series. In this case, this is the whole Pn. As in earlier formula that whatever with the Bn, this is the, in this case, Bn. So we write Bn into Cn pi upon L. That is equal to 2 upon L, 0 to L, fx sin n pi upon Lx dx. So in these types of question, this mu x L minus x, you just see earlier because this question is for initial displacement also and same function for initial velocity also, right? So you should careful that which type of question is there and then solve according to that one. So we just integrate here, put the value of this fx Lx minus x square as earlier and then solve this integration and we get this value. Up to this the question will be same. Now what is the difference? Difference is in earlier question here is Bn, in this question here is Cn pi upon L into Bn. What is the value of Bn? In this case value of Bn is value of Bn, that is equal to this change this into right hand side, that means L upon Cn pi into 4 mu L square upon n cube pi cube 1 minus 1 की power n, right? This is equal to 4 mu n cube upon C n की power 4 pi की power 4, and this is 1 minus 1 की power n. Now in this case, this is the value of Pn. This is the value of Pn, right? And put this value of Pn here. So we say the answer is this one, y of xt is sigma Bn sin n pi upon Lx sin Cn pi upon Lt, and where Bn is equal to this one. Bn is equal to 4 mu L cube upon C n की power 4 pi की power 4 1 minus 1 की power n. This is the final answer, right? In this question, the initial velocity is given as 2 sin 3 pi upon Lx minus 5 sin 7 pi upon Lx, right? In this case, the trigonometric function is given because initial velocity is given. That means type B question. So we write the solutions of type B up to this one, y of xt equal to Bn sin n pi upon xl and this sin Cn pi upon Lt, and here del y by del t x0 is equal to 2 sin 3 pi upon Lx and minus of 5 sin 7 pi upon Lx. So applying the condition number 4, del y by del t is this one. So differentiate this with respect to t and then put t equal to 0. We get this is equal to sigma of Bn Cn pi upon L by the differentiation of this one. And then put t equal to 0, the cos, and this one is 1, the sin n pi upon Lx. Now compare this into this. Compare this one. Now first see the first term. What is the first term? First term is this one. In this first term, if we compare this to this one, we get 3 pi upon Lx is equal to n pi upon Lx. That means n equal to 3. So we say n equal to 3, right? If we put n equal to 3, this is B3. So we say B3 into C3 pi upon L. That is equal to, what is the coefficient? Coefficient is equal to 2. So put this 2. So we can say B3 is equal to 2L upon 3C pi, right? Now come the next term. Next term is this one, sin of sin pi upon Lx. If we compare this to this term, n equal to 7. So put here n equal to 7, and this is B7 C7 pi upon L. That is equal to minus of 5. So we can write B7 is equal to minus 5L upon 7C pi. Put all the value in this one. So we get y of xt is equal to, first is B3, n equal to 3, that means B3. What is the value of B3? That is 2L upon 3C pi, right? And n equal to, what is n equal to 3? So put here n equal to 3 in this one. We get sin 3 pi upon Lx and sin C3 pi upon L, right? Now comes B equal to 7, and B7 is equal to this one, minus 5L upon 7C pi, and this sin of, put n equal to 7. So sin 7 pi upon Lx and sin C 7 pi upon L into t. So this is the final answer. This is equal to this one. This is the final answer, right? So y of xt equal to this one. This is the final answer. 12 upon 3c pi sin 3 pi upon Lx sin C 3 pi upon Lt minus 5L upon 7c pi sin 7 pi upon Lx sin C 7 pi upon Lt. Like this we can solve any questions of this wave equations. So practice sheet attached with this in descriptions. You can download the PDF file and then solve the questions. And then first for differentiate type A and type B question and then solve the questions, right? Thank you very much. And like my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.